In today's video, we are diving into the newest AI tool that's been making waves. Devgen AI. Released just recently, this software promises to be a game changer, and there are 7 key things you absolutely need to know about it before you decide if it's the right fit for you. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share how you can try some PU, Devgen AI, for free. And I've got some exclusive insights that could save you time and money. Devgen AI isn't just another AI tool on the market. This software combines cutting-edge technology with a user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for those who aren't deep into AI development. It's designed to help streamline tasks, boost productivity, and even automate complex workflows, making it perfect for entrepreneurs, digital marketers, and businesses looking to stay ahead of the curve. First off, Devgen AI stands out for its versatility. Unlike other software that focuses on just one area, Devgen covers everything from automated content generation to advanced data analysis, offering a comprehensive suite of tools for a variety of needs. Whether you're looking to generate high-quality content quickly or optimize your workflows for maximum efficiency, Devgen AI does it all. One of the biggest benefits is how bouncy Devgen AI adapts to your workflow. It uses machine learning to understand your preferences over time, making its output more personalized and efficient. This means that once you integrate it into your system, it becomes smarter with every task you assign, ultimately saving you a lot of time. But what sets Devgen AI apart from others in the market is its automation capabilities. With the ability to integrate seamlessly into your existing tools and platforms, Devgen automates mundane tasks, freeing up your time for more strategic work. From managing emails to setting up social media campaigns, it's like having an extra team member working 24/7. Another great feature is its multi-task AI-powered content creation. The software can generate blog posts, social media updates, and even entire websites with minimal input from you. It's a great tool for anyone struggling to keep up with content demands or who simply wants to speed up the content creation process without sacrificing quality. Now, while Devgen AI offers impressive features, it's not perfect. Some users have mentioned that the learning curve can be a bit steep for beginners. If you're new to AI tools, there might be a bit of a time investment to fully understand how to maximize its potential. However, once you get the hang of it, the power and flexibility of Devgen AI will become clear. For those concerned about data security, Devgen AI uses advanced encryption to protect your information. You can rest assured that your content and data are secure, which is a huge factor when considering AI software for your business. Lastly, I want to emphasize the flexibility Devgen AI offers in terms of pricing. While it's a premium software, you can try it completely free through the link in the description. So, if you're curious, there's no risk to see if it's the right fit for your needs. If you've tried a bunch of AI tools already and feel overwhelmed by all the options, Devgen AI might just be the breakthrough you've been searching for. I've tested thousands of AI software, and this one definitely holds its own among the best. At the end of the day, it's about what works for you and your business. And Devgen AI offers a powerful, efficient solution for digital marketing, content creation, and beyond. Don't forget to check the description for your free trial and a list of my top recommended AI tools that I've personally tested. You won't want to miss these. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.